In many rural areas of Canada, access to fresh produce is limited. Communities face challenges from supply chain issues, lack of infrastructure, and economic constraints. But what if the solution could be delivered, installed, and ready for cultivation in just weeks? Enter our innovative mushroom pod, a self-sustaining cultivation unit designed to empower rural communities with locally grown mushrooms and fresh, healthy produce. These pods offer turnkey infrastructure that allows for flexible crop compatibility. From oyster and lion's mane to shiitake, this pod will grow it. Plus, the economic opportunity through local sales and value-added product creation means that nothing ever has to go to waste. Each pod brings job for harvesting, processing, and sales, keeping the benefits local. Step 1, order and fabrication. Once you place your order with a deposit, the pods are fabricated through Psilogen's extensive partner network and ready for delivery in just weeks. Step 2, delivery and setup. Psilogen handles logistics and brings the pod directly to your site. Our team provides full on-site training and installation support to get you up and running. Step 3, cultivation and harvest. Communities choose from a catalog of mushroom strains, much like selecting seedlings at a nursery. From there, the pod maintains optimal growing environments for your mushrooms to thrive, while your team manages the growth cycle and harvest. Imagine fresher food, new local business ventures, and a community able to control its food supply, one mushroom pod at a time. Psilogen's mushroom pods cultivate food sovereignty, building community resilience, and fueling economic growth. Ready to plant the seeds of change? Visit the Psilogen Mushroom Pod program to get started.